Self-Designed Media Project by Hannah Newbert. This is my digital infographic to be displayed in facilities such as the Kaplan Wellness Center at UNCG Greensboro. Please note that there are different colors, sizes of font, in order to be eye-catching as it will be displayed digitally, going across TV screens in hopes to capture its intended audience. The intended audience is the college students on UNCG campus who drink alcoholic beverages at social events. According to a study done on UNCG's campus, that includes 50% of males and 72% of females who stated they had at least 2 to 4 drinks at the last time they partied or socialized. The theory used in the designing and production of this infographic was the theory of planned behavior. It has 3 core components. The first component is behavioral beliefs. The second component is normative beliefs. And the third component is control beliefs. This infographic specifically targets behavioral beliefs by displaying health risk associated with binge drinking so that the individuals start correlating binge drinking with the possibility of these outcomes. Examples of these outcomes include suicide, unintended pregnancy, and alcohol poisoning. The second belief, normative belief, is targeted by making one aware of what they perceive others' expectations of them are and the motives of these expectations. One way that this digital infographic brings this to the viewer's attention is by simply asking the question, are your friends having an impact on you in a positive or negative way? The third belief that is addressed here is the control belief. It is reminding viewers that they have 100% control over their own actions. Objectives to be met when this infographic is viewed. Viewers will be able to identify what drinking in excess is by understanding what is considered a single drink. Viewers will have an understanding of possible outcomes of drinking in excess. And viewers will be able to identify 4 different types of peer pressure associated with binge drinking. This infographic is culturally competent in the fact that it is at a 5th grade reading level for the general public. It is also culturally competent to the college campus because it is in digital format. It is used to capture their attention and to be displayed in facilities on UNCG campus, because it is noted that most college students are numb to the fact of walking straight past posters and flyers displayed in these facilities. Once again, here is the digital infographic. I would like to bring it to attention that at the bottom corner, right-hand corner specifically, there is a place for anyone who is struggling with binge drinking or alcohol abuse to get in contact with UNCG's Student Health Service Office. Thank you.